Oh, look at her. And look at this girl.
That one is big as heck.
I hope she haven't been here long, but she is kind of big compared to the rest of them. Ooh, I cannot with gerbils with those tails. Are creepy. Oh my goodness, those tails. I cannot. Oh, I hope someone takes her home soon. Look at this one. Look how she did. Look, this water bottle is way too low. Look how she got a drink.
I know, that's all.
That is jacked up.
Did they go up on the price?
They really need to do something about this. Her poor baby. Why are they torturing this hamster like this? This is a shame.
She said $10.99. This was $10.99.
Yeah, that's how much it was before. I really feel some type of way that this hamster has to drink water in this position. Oh, that's not nice. Who can I tell? So they need to do something. The poor baby. Is she even getting anything? Petco, you gotta do better. Like, look at how she, oh, I don't even think she's getting anything. Like, look at how she has to drink.
I see. I'm not gonna show it to you.
This is horrible. I hope somebody sees this and send it to somebody in Petco, because they should be ashamed of themselves. That is not okay. I'm gonna tell, can you, sweetie, can you see a store employee? Because I don't like this. Excuse me. Look, this hamster, look how she has to drink. She can't even get to her water appropriately.
Alright, I'll move it up.
Can you please? Thank you. Oh, my baby. Oh, that's awful. Okay, thank you.
I'm not in that. Right?
No.